Good morning, my dear children. In this module, we will discuss the rest of the classifications of the data. Data classification on the basis of types of data. The data classification, that is, which are the two types? Yes, primary data as well as the secondary data. Classification of the data on the basis of types. Two types are there. The first one is the primary data and the second one is the secondary data. Primary data means the data which are collected from the field under the control and supervision of an investigator. Primary data means original data that has been collected specially for the purpose in mind. This type of data are generally afresh and collected for the first time. It is useful for the current studies as well as for the future studies also. For example, the questionnaire prepared by you. So children, this is the primary data. So we have discussed it the some small part earlier itself. Still, the primary data means it is the first hand data. It's not collected by some others. It's collected by the first person. And it may be the under the control and the supervision of an investigator. And the primary data means original data that has been collected specially for the purpose in mind. This type of data are generally afresh. That means it's not collected from what the other sources or from the other what collected data. It is the first hand information collected by the person. And we can use that data for the current studies as well as for the future studies also. For example, the questionnaire prepared by you. And which are the methods and the techniques to collect such data is the quantitative data, which are the different methods: surveys, experiments, observation and simulation. These are the four methods through we collect the primary data. That is the quantitative data collecting methods. The next one is the qualitative data collecting methods, which are the focus groups, individual depth interviews, human observation and case studies. No need to study elaborately, just you want to study as if only the points of collecting the primary data. That is particularly about the quantitative as well as the qualitative data. So quantitative data means surveys, experiments, mechanical observation and the simulation. Qualitative data means focus groups, individual depth interviews, human observation and case studies. The next one is the secondary data. The data gathered and recorded by someone else prior to and for a purpose other than the current project. So it is in contrast to the primary data. It's not the first hand information or it's not collected by the first person. It is the second hand information. It is a data that has been collected for some other purposes by some other people also. And it involves the less cost, time and effort. And the secondary data is the data that is being reused, usually in a different context. For example, data from a book. So this data would have collected earlier by some other people, and if it is used by the second person for some other purposes, we can call it as the secondary data. So children, these are the different types of data that we have classified on the basis of types. So once again I will explain. The two types are primary data and the secondary data. The primary data means it is the first hand information and collected by that person. Secondary data means it was collected for some other purposes before by some other people, and if it is used by the second person, it becomes the secondary data, and it can be reused for some other purposes by others also. For example, that is a data from a book. So the students also, for the reference, they will use for the study purposes also. So if it is used in that manner, that data is called as the secondary data. So children, these are the classifications on the basis of the types of data. So children, so far I have discussed. I hope it's clear for you. Thank you children for watching this video.